Welcome YouTube. Just wanted to make my first video here. Wanted to introduce everyone to comma.ai. This is the basically platform that is out there to make a vehicle self-driving. This kind of gives it that potential. Just wanted to go through. I have a comma 2. That is the second version of the comma team's devices. This is where I purchased my device that I have now. So I got the comma 2 dev kit with my car harness. I have a 2020 Toyota Corolla. This is what it basically looks like when it's brand new. I'll be showing a couple videos on how I installed it, how I got through the process of installing it on my 2020 Toyota Corolla and all that. Here you can go to Compatibility, kind of go through and see if your car is able to do it or not. A lot of the newer Corollas, Camrys, Hondas can support this, but make sure before you purchase that you do make sure it is for your vehicle. Setup guide is really easy. All this information again is on their website. So when it comes out of the box, it's a dash cam, and then you have to go in and program it if you would like it to have the open pilot, which is the self-driving basically software behind the device. This is where you'll find OpenPilot. This is the actual code. It is open source. Anyone can play with this. Anyone can adjust this to whatever they want it to do. So if you've got some programming knowledge or you're just learning, this is going to be the place to learn. Over here is Discord. Discord is kind of like a social media platform for basically asking anybody questions. This is kind of like a forum to ask any questions you'll have on your device. You've got installation help. If there's any bugs or anything, you can report those as well. Team can work on them. If you're selling stuff, if you're looking to see where your device is at, you can message them for shipping. I have a Toyota, so there's a whole Toyota team of support for anyone that's asking questions regarding that, or whatever kind of vehicle you have. A lot of helpful information. Everyone's here willing to help. Again, this is open source, so a lot of people involved in this. When I first got my device, I had some issues. The newest firmware that's out right now, 7.1, actually doesn't support the 2020 Toyota Corolla LE yet, which is the exact vehicle I have. So I had to do some learning, and I had to basically fork my basically 7.1 firmware and develop my own. I ended up actually cheating and actually found someone had already done the work for me. So I will go over that in one of my other videos, but just kind of wanted to do a little bit of introduction on how to kind of get into this. If you have any questions, look Mono Hands. That's going to be my YouTube channel. That's where I'll be posting everything. So feel free to jump on here and ask any questions. I'm going to be learning as I go through this. So if you have any questions, if I can answer it, I'll probably do some research to see what I can get going for you. So happy driving.